And now a song from Fanny Brice, one of the biggest song hits of the season, Harold Arlen's Stormy Weather.
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather. Since my man and I ain't together, keep raining all the time. Life is bad, gloom and misery everywhere, stormy weather. Just can't get my poor self together. I'm weary all the time, so weary all the time. When he went away, the blues walked in and met me. If he stays away, old rocking chair will get me. All I do is pray the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more and go on. Everything I had is gone.